Aha!
Welcome to Gen AI Briefs. I'm Ron. Here's today's generative AI news for May 6th, 2024. Let's get right into it. Warren Buffett expressed strong concerns about the potential dangers of artificial intelligence, AI, comparing it to the development of nuclear weapons. Buffett acknowledged his lack of expertise in AI, but warned that the technology has enormous potential for good and enormous potential for harm. He is particularly worried about the ability of AI to enable scams and fraud, stating that it could make scamming the growth industry of all time. Buffett said he does not know how the world should handle AI, just as he believes we have not figured out how to control the nuclear genie that was unleashed. Overall, Buffett's cautionary stance reflects his deep unease about the unpredictable and potentially devastating impacts that advanced AI could have. You have probably heard of AI social media influencers. Well, the Ukrainian Ministry of Foreign Affairs has introduced Victoria Shai, an artificial intelligence, AI, avatar, as its digital spokesperson. This marks the first time a diplomatic service has utilized an AI-generated persona to deliver official statements. Victoria Shai's visual appearance and voice are created using AI technology, but the statements she reads are written and verified by human personnel at the ministry. To address concerns about deepfake technology, each statement delivered by Shai will be accompanied by a QR code linking to the official text version on the ministry's website. The ministry claims this technological innovation is a significant advancement that no other diplomatic service has achieved. They have stated that Shai, the AI diplomat, will provide timely updates on consular affairs and officially comment for the media. Randy Travis, the legendary country music singer, suffered a devastating stroke in 2013 that left him with paralysis and impaired speech. Despite the setback, his record label, Warner Music Nashville, has found a way to use AI technology to restore his iconic voice and allow him to record new music. The process involved taking 42 of Travis's original vocal recordings, stripping away the music, and then overlaying his voice onto a surrogate singer, James Dupre. This AI-powered technique allowed them to create a new song, Where That Came From, which was recently released to widespread acclaim from Travis's fellow country music stars. While the process is not yet perfected, and there are still challenges in replicating Travis's unique vocal style, this breakthrough represents a major victory for the singer and his fans. It allows Travis to continue making music and sharing his God-given talent, even after the stroke that nearly took his life. As his wife Mary said, "It's a life inspiration. Speak kindly, love fully, live completely, and leave the rest to God." That's it for today's generative AI news from today's sources: Fox Business, Indian Express, and CBS News. Thank you for listening. For more information, the links to these stories are in the podcast description. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.